Today we're gonna try this banana bread recipe that I got from YouTube. The recipe is for 2 bread trays, but because we've got lots of bananas, I'm just going to double it and make 4 bread trays. At the end, I'm gonna give my verdict and maybe some suggestions on how to change the recipe if needed. For the ingredients, you'll need about 60 medium-sized ripe bananas. The bananas I have here are a bit on the smaller side, so I'm putting in about 20 bananas altogether. Next, 2 cups of salted butter, 2 cups brown sugar, 6 cups of all-purpose flour. Here I've got 4 teaspoons of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon of banana essence, 2 cups of raisins and 1 cup of fresh milk. We're also gonna need about 12 large full eggs. From what I can see from the instructions in the recipe, there's nothing specific about the sequence, so I'm just gonna mix everything together. Just some points to note: mash the bananas until a consistency of chunky applesauce and not more. Here you see I'm using a very old mixer. Cuisinart, if you're watching this, can sponsor me or not? Once everything is blended well, pour it out into 4 bread pans that have been pre-lined with baking paper. Then pop it into the oven for 60 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or about 175 Celsius. You can check in at the 50-minute mark by sticking a toothpick in, and if it comes out dry, then it's done already. After removing from the oven, let it cool for about 10 minutes and it's ready to serve. Taste test.
That's good. It's crunchy but soft at the same time. It's like chocolate chip, like a Subway cookie.
Okay, personally I found it a bit on the sweet side and it was very dense. The kids love it though, and 2 trays already devoured. I was also snacking on it through the night, but to improve the recipe I would say maybe reduce the sugar by about 1/3 and mix up the flour with a self-raising flour 50-50. That will make a lighter cake and let it rise more. Next time, till then, follow me for more content like this.